Hey everyone, foldable smartphones, which combine innovation and versatility, have continuously pushed the limits of what a phone can accomplish. Huawei Mate X6 is one of these that combines performance, productivity, and high-end design in a seamless manner. After testing this phone for an entire day in London, it's evident that Huawei has raised the bar for foldable technology. Powered by the large 7.9-inch inner display, Mate X6's multitasking capabilities are one of its main advantages. The gadget becomes a productivity powerhouse thanks to this function. Mate X6 allows you to run numerous apps simultaneously, which is useful for planning your day, brainstorming ideas for videos, and conducting research while on the go. Even 3 apps can be run at once thanks to the stereoscopic multi-window multitasking capability. On the same screen, you can take notes, navigate using maps, and browse the web. Intuitive swipe movements that make it simple to access frequently used apps further improve this seamless multitasking experience. A further noteworthy feature is the 6.45-inch cover display. Mate X6 fits easily in your hand and works like a conventional smartphone when folded. In addition to being ergonomic, its second-generation Kunlun glass and small curve make it more resilient and scratch-resistant than before. Tablet feels sturdy, high-end, and secure whether you're using it folded or multitasking. Huawei has given Mate X6 flagship-level specs, redefining the possibilities of foldable cameras. 50 megapixels primary lens, a 48 megapixels telephoto macro lens, a 40 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a cutting-edge ultra-spectrum camera sensor make up its quad camera configuration. With all lenses retaining the same colors and details, this arrangement produces breathtaking, lifelike images. Mate X6 is a great camera for people who like macro photography. New creative possibilities are made possible by its telephoto macro lens, which can capture details at a distance of only 5 centimeters. Ability to use the primary camera for unmatched detail and quality makes selfies equally amazing. Mate X6's video capabilities are equally remarkable. Phone offers remarkable color fidelity, stability, and low-light performance when shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second. The video quality is constant whether the main, ultra-wide, or telephoto lens is used, making it a flexible tool for content producers. At core of Mate X6 are durability and design. Glossy side rails and camera housing lend a touch of refinement, while the faux vegan leather back offers a comfortable grip. The hinge, which is 27% stronger than earlier models, is another example of Huawei's emphasis on innovation. This sturdy hinge offers a variety of setting possibilities, making it perfect for hands-free content viewing or selfies. With foldable phones, battery life is frequently an issue, but the Mate X6 shines in this regard. Despite intensive multitasking, its effective battery management guarantees all-day use. 66-watt fast charging capabilities ensures minimal downtime in case you require a quick recharge. It's difficult not to be impressed by the Mate X6's fine craftsmanship and attention to detail. Even though it was sponsored by Huawei, its flagship cameras, multitasking versatility, sturdiness, and elegant design make this foldable stand out. It is the epitome of what a foldable gadget ought to be, thin enough to double as a regular smartphone when folded. Anyone thinking about getting a foldable phone should check out Huawei Mate X6, which is a real game changer. It's more than simply a phone. It's a declaration of usefulness and innovation that raises the bar for the sector. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.